Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
A truck driver was killed and another critically hurt when 3 tractor-trailers collided Sunday morning on Nevada 318 just south of the Sunnyside Rest area. That's about 60 miles south of Ely. NHP says a truck hauling 3 tanker trailers of diesel fuel was heading north when the driver veered into oncoming traffic. The truck sideswiped one tractor-trailer, then hit another tractor-trailer head-on. The driver of the northbound diesel fuel truck died at the scene. The driver of the tractor-trailer that was hit head-on was flown to a St. George, Utah hospital with life-threatening injuries. The driver of the truck that was sideswiped was not hurt. The crash caused thousands of gallons of diesel fuel to spill from the ruptured tankers. The highway was shut down for hours as crews cleaned up the wreckage and the fuel spill, and troopers investigated.